Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by charging the case and AirPods, aim for more than half to avoid interruptions. Once done, unlock your iPhone or iPad and turn on Bluetooth. This speeds discovery. With the lid open, hold the case next to the device. A setup card appears. Tap Connect and follow on-screen prompts. This registers the AirPods to your Apple ID so other devices use iCloud syncing. Make sure firmware updates are allowed. They install automatically. You now customize how the AirPods respond and how they sit in your ears. Go to Settings, tap the eye next to AirPods Pro 2, and choose Press and Hold or Touch Gestures. This lets you control noise modes and Siri. Next, adjust active noise canceling versus transparency based on environment. Switch modes to hear traffic or silence a plane cabin. Then, try different ear tips and run the ear fit test. This confirms a proper seal, so noise canceling and bass perform as intended. You'll use the case to charge and protect the buds. Drop them in when finished. A full bud charge lasts about 4-5 hours, and the case adds many more. Once paired, enable spatial audio for immersive sound and add the AirPods to Find My to track them. If you hit a problem, no audio, no connection, try a reset. Put buds in case, close, wait 30 seconds, then hold the case button for 15 seconds until the light flashes. Repair as before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.